Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for March 11th, 2020. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. It was a historic day today. After 11 years of a bull run, we can finally say it is over, and we are in bear territory now after a 20% plus drop from the highs last month. Today alone, the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropping another 1,465 points or 5.86%. The S&P 500 finished lower by 140 points or 4.89%. The NASDAQ was lower by 392 points, and the Russell 2000 dropping yet another 86 points here, hitting a new 52-week low. The bond market was down sharply again today, and the yield on the 10-year note settled at 0.872. The crude oil market down sharply again, down $1.38 or another 4%, while gold, although it did finish lower, only finished lower by about 3 points at the official close. That's down 0.2% today, and the dollar did get a bit more of a bounce here. Now, earlier today, the World Health Organization has officially declared the coronavirus a pandemic. And so I'm sure there will be stricter measures being taken by countries all around the world, which will impact the global economy in a negative fashion. We hear today the March Madness tournament is going to be played without fans today. So some NHL teams, the San Jose Sharks, the Columbus Blue Jackets, are going to play their home games without fans. South by Southwest was canceled. Coachella was postponed. So in other words, some big time events where normally you would see thousands and thousands of people attending are no longer going to have that fan base there. So that lowering of economic activity there will almost certainly lead to lower stock prices around the globe. So I think that's what we're into right now, and we are in bear market territory, so that's what you can expect going forward. So certainly there will be bounces along the way, like there were pullbacks along the way during the bull run, but now our focus should be strictly to the downside. There are some bright spots like gold that should continue to do well, but overall equities you should expect to continue to move lower. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.